Good morning. In first session, we discussed about the basic concept in condensed matter physics, such as classification of matter, crystalline materials, polycrystals, amorphous, crystal structure, lattice parameter, finally 14 types of Bravais lattice. In this session, first one, important terms in crystal structure. Atomic packing factor APF is defined as the ratio of volume of atoms per unit cell to the total volume of unit cell. We can say volume of atoms in unit cell is the product of number of atoms in unit cell and the volume of each atom. In atomic packing factor has low value, the atoms are loosely packed. Otherwise, the atoms are closely packed. Atomic packing factor is dimensionless quantity and always less than unity. Next term is atomic radius. Atomic radius is defined as the distance between the nearest neighboring atoms is half. It is expressed in terms of cube edge A. Another term, nearest neighbor distance 2r. This term defined as the distance between the center of two nearest neighboring atoms. The last term is coordination number. The number of nearest neighbors in unit cell is called coordination number. Number of atoms in a unit cell. Total number of atoms per unit cell is the sum of number of interior atoms and the sum of face-centered and corner atoms. In simple cubic, each cell has only one atom. Body-centered cubic has 2 atoms and face-centered cubic has 4 atoms in each cell. Metallic crystal structure. The important metallic crystal structure are simple cubic, face-centered cubic and body-centered cubic. Simple cubic. In the case of simple cubic, there are 8 atoms at the 8 corners. Each atom shared equally among the 8 unit cell. We say that 1 by 8 of each belongs to this particular cell, making a total of 1 atom per unit cell. Example, polonium. Coordination number of SE is 6. Nearest neighbor distance equal to A. Number of atoms in unit cells equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, because the volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube and the volume of unit cells equal to 2r whole cube. Atomic packing factor of simple cubic. Already I said APF is equal to volume of atoms per volume of unit cell. In this case, number of atoms in unit cells equal to 1. Hence, volume of atoms equal to 4 by 3 pi A by 2 whole cube. The volume of unit cells equal to A cube. Therefore, atomic packing factor is equal to pi by 6. The value is equal to 0.52. Second structure is BCC. From the figure can be shown that a cubic cell for BCC is not a primitive cell. since there are 8 corner atoms, each shared between 8 cells and a central atom which belongs to each cubic. Example, lithium. In BCC, the corner atoms do not touch each other but do touch the center along the body diagonal. The coordination number is 8 and nearest neighbor distance equal to A root 3 by 2. Number of atoms per unit cells equal to 2. Volume of all atoms in unit cells equal to 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Put the value of r in the above equation. We can find the volume of atoms. Atomic packing factor of BCC. The value is 0.68. The atoms are more closely packed in comparison to simple cubic system. Face-centered cubic or cubic closed packed structure. In FCC contains 8 corner atoms shared among 8 cells and 6 face-centered atoms each shared between 2 cells. We get 4 atoms in the cubic cell, hence it is a non-primitive cell. Example, nickel. The FCC has 12 is the maximum volume of coordination number. Lattice constants equal to 4r by root 2. Number of atoms per unit cells equal to 4. Substitute all the values in APF equation. We can find APF of FCC. The atomic packing factor of FCC is 0.74. The last one is the important properties of the 3 structures. From the packing factor, we conclude that in simple cubic, 52% of space is occupied by atoms and rest 48% is empty space. In base-centered cubic, 68% is occupied by atom while 32% is empty. In face-centered cubic, 74% occupied and 26% empty. Hence, simple cubic is loosely packed and body-centered cubic is more closely packed than simple cubic and face-centered cubic is most closely packed. In this session, we understand the terms and important properties of simple cubic, base-centered cubic, face-centered cubic structures. Thank you.